In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import and upload contacts into Odoo CRM step by step using the Odoo online demo environment. This is perfect if you're new to Odoo or if you want to practice importing contacts safely before working on a live database. We'll walk through accessing the Odoo demo, navigating the contacts module, and understanding how contacts are created and managed inside Odoo CRM. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and search for Odoo Demo Online. From the search results, click on the official demo link that takes you to demo6.odoo.com. This is a fully functional demo database provided by Odoo, and it's great for testing features without affecting real data. Once the page loads, you'll be automatically logged into the demo environment with sample data already available. Next, look at the main dashboard and locate the Contacts application. Click on the Contacts app to open it. This is where all your customers, vendors, and leads are stored when working with Odoo CRM. Inside the Contacts module, you'll see a list of existing contacts that come preloaded in the demo database. Now, to add or import a contact, click on the New button located at the top left of the screen. This opens the contact creation form. In a real-world scenario, this is where imported contacts eventually appear after a successful upload. In the demo, we're using this screen to understand how contact data is structured in Odoo. On the contact form, you'll notice fields like company name, individual name, email address, phone number, and other important CRM-related information. For this example, click on the company name field and select or type a sample company, such as XYZ Graphics Inc. This helps you understand how company-level contacts are stored in Odoo CRM. As you scroll down, you'll see additional tabs and options for internal notes, sales and purchase information, and communication history. These sections become very useful once contacts are imported, as they allow your sales and support teams to track interactions efficiently. Next, locate the Send Message option within the directly with this contact using Odoo's built-in messaging system. This demonstrates how imported contacts can immediately be used for communication once they exist in the CRM. Although this demo shows manual contact creation, the same structure applies when you import contacts in bulk using CSV files in Odoo CRM. When importing, Odoo maps your spreadsheet columns to these exact fields, ensuring your contact data stays organized and usable across the system. Before wrapping up, remember that practicing in the demo environment is one of the best ways to learn Odoo without any risk. Once you're comfortable here, you can confidently import contacts into your real Odoo CRM database. That's it for this tutorial on importing and uploading contacts into Odoo CRM using the demo environment. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Odoo guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.